So I just woke up, and this is right after the night when I was filming the fan video. My microphone's not plugged in because I have it right here. I just thought I'd show you my setup because it's normalish, but it's also got a bit of its own quirks to it. Right here is the chair. It's comfortable, I guess. It's my headphones. And I got my keyboard. It's got the wear to the WAS and D keys. Chords. Speaking about chords, I got this nice side with all these wires. It looks really organized. This is the one USB that goes into my microphone, which is held up by a tissue box. I think this one is my mouse. We'll just have to test it out. Yeah, that was my mouse. Let's put it back in. So the that's the setup. This is the mouse. Yeah, this is the mouse. It's the one that does the weird double right click thing. Oh, you can see my apps. Oh, that's embarrassing. This is much better. And the infamous broken mouse that doesn't work half the time. And you'll get the other mouse now. You might be wondering why I don't use this one all the time. This is the one that doesn't. This is the one that does work. This is the one that doesn't work. But the only problem is that it runs on batteries. Like you have to put like 2 batteries inside. It's also wireless, which is neat. It's black, matches the rest of my laptop. But it's really small. I'm just used to this mouse. I don't use the laptop keyboard because I'm just used to this keyboard. Okay. It works for me. That's all that matters.